Tiling has never been as easy as it is with waterproof tiles from Dumawall. Each Dumawall tile is manufactured from 4 layers, based on a revolutionary and patented baseboard, the Rigid Core Board, or RCB. Because you put Dumawall tiles up using a simple tongue and groove system, there's no more messing around with grouting or grinders. No more messy joins, just quick, easy fitting. Our tiles can be glued directly onto a dust and grease-free wall, but you can also easily attach them with nails or even staples. Dumawall tiles can be easily cut or trimmed using a saw. Dumawall is quick and easy to fit, with no drying time or jointing. The aluminium accessories ensure a seamless finish when fitting the tiles. In very moist locations like a shower or bathroom, a small strip of silicone between the tiles themselves and between the tiles and the profiles is sufficient to ensure that the joints are waterproof. The solid tiles are available in 4 sizes, while the 23-color range ensures that every room can have the shade that you're looking for. What's more, all our tiles are UV resistant and waterproof. Dumawall. Tiling has never been this easy.